So today we are in Ladysmith. I'm gonna show you a bit of the town. Then we're gonna go down to Transfer Beach. It's a beautiful beach and I'm gonna show you a bit of that too. I love Ladysmith. It's a totally cute little town. So come on, let's go. If you like my content, please comment, like, and subscribe. It would really help me grow my channel. This is going to be a lot of fun. I love Ladysmith. So we're just maybe 2 minutes into the town. Some sunflowers. I love sunflowers. Yeah. They have a huge ship anchor here from the Ladysmith Harbor. It is just in the middle of this roundabout. This is a super cute little town. I love coming here. It's got awesome atmosphere, totally laid back, comfortable. So we're gonna go into our favorite thrift store in Ladysmith. There's a donkey engine. It's a Caterpillar from the early 1930s. It was used in Comox loggings in Ladysmith. There's a bunch of really cute little shops all along the walk through Ladysmith. So this is a hotel from 1913. It's a beautiful town. I recommend it for anybody to come down here and take a look. There is arbutus trees and honey locust trees lining the streets the whole way. And I just finished a delicious cinnamon bun that is known to Ladysmith. Everybody comes here apparently from miles around to try them, and it was awesome. It was so delicious. You guys gotta come and try it. So we are at Transfer Beach. It's a pretty small beach, but it's a beautiful beach. We are gonna walk down to the huge Ladysmith sign that's down on the beach and try and record it for you guys. Hopefully you can see it. And then we will walk back up and show you all of the beach and how absolutely beautiful it is. So beautiful here. They have the Ladysmith name spelled out in bushes of some kind along here. Huge open fields. I would have went down to the beach, but it's very busy down there right now. Wow, this is pretty. Very pretty.